1 in 3 renters are not confident that they will be able to sustain their homes due to the potential for eviction. And that's unconscionable. We say that we are the most prosperous country in the world. And we say then that our stock market is hitting records. And so there's a lot of wealth being created, but yet 1 in 3 people that are renting don't know if they're going to have a roof over their heads based on all that's happened over the last 9-10 months. I think that the pandemic just shows where the disparities are more so than what we normally see. It's about the money in terms of continuing to keep it concentrated in a few hands, but it's not about the money in that we can't afford to do it, because it would actually, in most cases, almost always, be less costly to do these things that will help people and make people less vulnerable than to not do them and continue to keep people vulnerable. If you believe in Christ and you want to follow him, then you're always concerned about how the most vulnerable people are treated. And the thing that I like about that as a guiding light is that one way or another, all of us eventually become in that vulnerable group. Maybe you have money, but then your health fails you. Then you become vulnerable. Maybe you don't have the resources financially, on and on and on. At some point in time, we all become very vulnerable, and we all need some grace, and we all need someone to be thinking about us. And so if we think with that in mind, again, the golden rule, then we can be okay. But we've got to practice our faith with those things in mind.